Well, English and Comparative Literature is an excellent degree for those students who want to study English literature with something else, but they don't want to do another language. And so, for example, if they want to be able to find out about literature from other European countries, but also literature from Japan, from China, from Arabic-speaking countries as well, this is what you can do with a Comparative Literature degree.
The academics here especially are just so excellent. Gone are like such a passion, like you'll get that excitement in you.
Well, I think Leeds is particularly good for English and Comparative Literature because of the size of both schools. So you'll be part of a School of English, and a School of English which is extremely big and diverse and has great expertise. And then in the language school, where you do the Comparative Literature side, you're going to be able to study literature from all the different languages that we teach, all done through translation. If you want to, you can take a study abroad option, but you can also take a working option in what they call an industrial placement, which you can do within the UK.
It's staggering how much choice there is when you finally come down to the weeks where you're deciding where you want to study. I took a year out in Oslo. Studying there was an absolutely tremendous experience. I knew it would be stepping outside my comfort zone, and I knew I wanted to push myself to do that.
Well, students all get the same type of support in terms of the personal tutor. So there's always that one-to-one support. There's also support from students through the buddy scheme. But beyond that, the support is also all the different resources, of course, the different types of libraries. Then you look at the language centre as well. So there's an enormous amount of support, both on an individual and a group level.